Hi everybody, this is Terry Stevenson of the Builderall team, and in this video I'm going to show you how to upload a custom font as a personal font in your Cheetah website. So I'm in the Cheetah Builder here. If you come to the Page tab on the right hand side menu, come to Font, right at the top is Upload Your Font. Now, I've already uploaded a font family. In fact, it's this font here. So I'm going to show you how easy and quick it is. I'm going to upload for my H2 font family. I'm going to upload another font. You click here. I'm going to choose the file. And I know right where this font is located on my hard drive. So this time I'm going to choose the regular version of the same font. Select it. Open, and I'll name it, and then I'll save it as a personal font and get the alert that it has been saved successfully, but I'm going to go ahead and save it here. Now to use my font, I'm going to come back to the page settings, click on fonts, and let's go to the H2 setting. And I want to change this font family to my new font. I can click the drop-down menu, and usually it'll put it at the bottom. So all the way down at the bottom here is the last font I had uploaded, this Learning Curve Regular. So I'm going to select it. And now my H2 headlines on this page are set to the regular size here. And of course, I can go ahead and I can set the other settings, like I can adjust the size, and of course I can adjust the color if I want. That's how easy it is to upload your custom font.